have an A3 size paper. We need to keep it like this, and we need to do the origami bird. We need to make it a square shape. To do a square shape, first take this edge and align it with this edge and get a crisp line. Then this part has to be cut. So just fold it properly. If you have a scissor, you can directly cut with scissors. If you have cutter, you can use cutter if you want. If you don't have any of these gadgets, just do this and take it. Okay, now we have the square shape. Once we get the square shape, we should make sure we get these folds on all sides. So just diagonally, vertically, horizontally. So this. Now you can see. So we have a fold like this. We have a fold like this. We have a fold like this. And we have a fold like this. So all the sides we have folds. Okay. Now we need to make it into a triangle. So we will take this fold. Okay. Now we have a circle. So this line and this line, we need to push this in. Get this. Okay. Now push this in. Now push this side, the next side in. And we'll get a kite shape like this. One side will be like this, and one side will be like this. So the side which is opening will be our pointy end. We need to bend it like this, make it pointy here. Take this side. And same thing we have to repeat on the back. So one side and then turn back and then fold again for the back. Once we get this shape, we need these are all our flaps. We'll have flaps on both the sides. The flaps should be flexible in front and back. So now we will just turn it the other way around on the same line. We'll put the flaps back. Back, put the flaps all back. Yes. Now we have flaps which is bending both the sides. All the flaps should be able to bend both the sides. Okay. Once we get that, go back, open these flaps and make them flat again. Before we had it like this, now open them, open the flaps. So again we will be back to this part. Okay, now what we need to do is open this part, make like a pocket like this, and then bend this side by lengthwise. Something like this. And then push this up here. will get like this. Turn same way back, make a pocket, bend this in, bend this part in. So now we will be having like this, like an elongated kite. Once we do this, turn to the side, open. When we open, this part should be on top and fold this part up. Okay, so this side is over. Turn the same thing, open, this part should be on top, fold this up. Once we do this, look inside, we have two parts which come out like that. So take one of this part, this will be the tail of the bird, pull it in such a way that this part and this part align with each other. See, same thing, pull this part should align with each other. Come straight. Now we'll have like this. Now put your finger here, put it like this, push, and now you have the head of the bird. So now we have this much. Now we need the wings. Just fold this straight here. We need to see this triangle. Push it. It's the wings. And turn back. And then make it. Okay, done.